Your morning decides your metabolism, mood, digestion, and even your hormones for the entire day. But what if I told you some common morning habits are silently damaging your health? In this video, we'll reveal 5 such morning habits that are destroying your health and what to do instead, according to yoga and natural wellness science. So let's get started. First and most important habit is checking your phone immediately after waking up. The moment you wake up, your brain is in a calm alpha state. But when you immediately check notifications, emails, or social media, you flood your brain with stress and dopamine spikes. This raises cortisol, increases anxiety, distracts your focus, and drains your mental energy. Instead, spend the first 15 to 20 minutes absolutely phone free. Practice deep breathing, practice gratitude, or just simple stretching. Second habit is skipping hydration. Well, you have to understand that just after 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. If you start your day with tea or coffee instead of water, you stress your digestion. Dehydration can cause constipation, headaches, fatigue, slow metabolism. Instead, drink 1 to 2 glasses of warm water. You can add few drops of lemon, or you can keep this water overnight in a copper vessel for traditional benefits. Well, I'll be sharing link of AP's Lota bottle in the description box below. Order this Lota bottle today only and let health and harmony come home with this beautiful Lota bottle of AP's. Third is drinking tea or coffee on an empty stomach. Now, when we drink tea or coffee on empty stomach, this is extremely common. Drinking caffeine on an empty stomach can really harm your health because it increases your acidity, it irritates your gut lining, it spikes your cortisol, weakens digestion for long term. Instead, eat soaked nuts or a small fruit first. Then you may have tea or coffee after 30 to 45 minutes. If you truly can't survive without it. Though in yoga tradition, we don't recommend tea or coffee at all because these are addictives. Fourth is skipping your morning movement. Now, understand your body becomes stiff overnight. If you start your day sitting in a car, office, or sofa, circulation slows down. This leads to so many problems like back pain, poor digestion, weight gain, low energy. Instead, do 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, yoga abhyas, deep breathing, or just a short walk in sunlight. Fifth is negative thinking in the morning. Yeah, this is very, very important. Your subconscious mind is most powerful in the morning. Now, if you start your day worrying about work, money, or problems, your nervous system stays in stress all the day. It stays in stress mode. So it affects your immunity, it affects your hormones, gut health, sleep quality. Instead, practice 2 to 3 minutes of gratitude meditation of Bharat Yoga. Trust me, this is a wonderful way to start your day. You can also do self-talk therapy of Bharat Yoga. You can chant Om or can just practice deep breathing. You can also take some positive affirmations. Well, this ideal morning routine, simple and natural. Let me share this ideal routine with you. Wake up calmly, avoid phone, drink warm water, light stretching or yoga abhyas, positive intention for the day. Just these 20 minutes can transform your health. So, just to conclude this episode, I would say health is not destroyed in one day. It is slowly damaged by small daily habits. Fix your mornings and fix your life by fixing your morning. Well, which of these habits are you really doing or you are guilty of? Comment below. I would love to know. If you like this video, if this helped you, press the like and share button. Subscribe our channel for more yoga, spirituality, culture, and natural health wisdom. That's all for today. Lots of love, light, and blessings. If you have any other question, any other query related to your health, related to your life, related to your culture, do not forget to send us your questions and your queries. I would be very, very happy to address all your questions and queries. Blessings for all of you. Hari Om.